Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now, today we're making a recipe for my perfect steak. And we're not going to use any high-tech equipment, but we're going to keep it really super simple and super delicious. So first we're going to need some high quality meat. So we're going to take a little road trip together. We're going to head into London to my favourite butchers and join me along the way. Let's go. And here we are at Ginger Pig on London's Moxton Street. Ginger Pig is a fantastic butcher's. They source their beef from Longhorn English cattle, which sources to many Michelin-star restaurants all across London. So we've selected a ribeye, about 600 grams, which is perfect for two. I'm going to coat this in a mix of smoked sea salt and black pepper. Get that completely coated around your steak. Straight into your cast iron pan. Cast iron pans are great because they hold the heat really well, which is going to help for when you develop that salt, crispy, delicious crust around your steak. Now we're going to flip this about every 20 seconds to give bursts of heat up to the steak, so you're not going to overcook on either side, and you're developing that beautiful golden brown on every surface of that steak. Keep flipping until you're happy with the colour, and next we're going to add a tiny amount of butter. Going to flavour this butter with some garlic cloves, some sprigs of rosemary, and some sprigs of thyme. So that butter is infused with all that herby goodness, and the butter is going to fuse into that steak. So we're going to take our steak off the heat. We're going to cover with some foil, and we're going to place this into a very low temperature oven, about 50-60 degrees. So temperature of your steak, I've taken this to 55 degrees, which is great for medium rare, but take it to your liking. Slice, finish with a sprinkle of smoked sea salt. So here is our pan roasted, butter basted, English Longhorn ribeye steak. Done. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to support the channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. And I will see you next time.